Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my unboxing of the Boxycharm, and I just received it yesterday. Today's Sunday, so I received it yesterday, Saturday. I have not opened it, so here we go with my little cute Hello Kitty box opener. So this is the way it comes, and with a little pamphlet. And it's Gold Digger, and I have seen other videos as to what's in here. I mean, I don't know exactly which version I got, so I don't know exactly what is in my box, but I have seen some of the products. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is Lashaholic Luxury Eyelashes, and they actually look very pretty. They don't look too crazy or overdone. Now, I really do not wear lashes, but when I receive some that are not as, you know, over the top, I do save them in case I decide to do a look with the lashes one day. And this one is pretty because it's really not that dramatic or exaggerated. I don't like those that are like super full and, you know, that you can really tell that they are false lashes. The next thing is a settle brush by Luxie, and I do like the Luxie brushes, and I can get into this, so I'm going to get into it one way or another. So it brings 4 eye brushes, and they're nice and soft, so it's definitely something that I will be able to use. I definitely like these, so I'm happy with that. It's like you can never get enough brushes. And look at the handles. The handles are very pretty. They're nice and gold with glitter, so definitely very pretty. I do like this, and it looks like they're all like, you know, for doing precise work, so I really like these. So the next one, another eyeliner by that Junta Blue. I've received so many of these eyeliners, guys, that I don't know. This brand is okay, but it's not all that. It's a pretty pencil. It's like glittery black with, you know, glitter, and it's got some kind of, let me see if I can take the plastic, see if I can tell what the, it's black with glitter. Look, I don't know if you can see that. So maybe that'll be kind of cool for the holidays to make a pretty look. Let me see if I can put some on. I'm not wearing eyeliner, so let's see what it looks like if I can put some on. Just their eyeliner pencils, I find them to be a little dry, so it's kind of hard to apply. Oh God, it's like poking me in the eye. They're kind of hard. Didn't do a very good job here. Looks okay. It almost looks, it's not super black. It almost looked like it looked black on my hand, but on my eyes, it almost looks like a dark gray with glitter. Let me see if you can see it. If I zoom you up a little bit. Wait. You see it? It's like a dark gray, like a charcoal gray with a little bit of glitter. But it's pretty. So at least it's different. So we'll see. Let me take that off. Okay, then I got the Cover FX, and these are the glitter drops, and it's they're highlighters. And I'm really not sure if this is going to be too much for my face. I can try it on for you guys. Let's play. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. Okay, Let's see if I can, this is a humongous mirror, you know. Hopefully I won't regret this. Did I not bring my sponge? Probably not. Wow, this is kind of glittery. Yeah. So I don't think this is anything that I would really wear on my face, because you can definitely see the glitter. Oh, where's my powder? I now have to do it to the other side so it can be even. But I'm going to try to tone it down a little bit with powder. But it may be very pretty on the eyes. Maybe we'll put some on the eye too to see what it looks like. I'm running out of my Fit Me powder, so I need to buy some. You can still see some of the glitter, but it's not quite as noticeable. Let's put just a little bit on the other side so without we're even. I do love the Cover FX drops highlighters, the liquid highlighter, but the ones that I have are not glittering. They're just shimmery. So I'm going to put a little bit on the center of my eye though to see how that looks. We're playing with makeup today because Clara has nowhere to go. So when my husband gets home, he'll say, "Whoa, you're sparkly." Okay, so it's not as bad if you tone it down with powder, but you can definitely still see the glitter. This is definitely not anything that I would wear on my cheeks. But let's try a little bit on the eyes. So let me see if I have a small brush that I can do it with. Because it's kind of hard to get in there with your finger. I think this is the smallest brush I can try it with. Okay, let's go for it. It's not even coming out. It's a little thick. There we go. I probably have enough on my hand now for 10 more sets of eyes or eyelids. Let me move you up a little closer so you can see it. Okay, so let's go for it. And the nice thing about these Cover FX is that they do dry quickly. So you don't have to worry about it creasing. That looks pretty. I like that. It looks pretty over that peach that I had there. Kind of makes it look like a rose gold. I like that, guys. So see, it won't go to waste. Because I definitely like it on my eyes because it's not super glittery for the eyes. I went a little farther. I still have the palette I used. Let me see for my look before. So let me try to fix it because I kind of went a little too far. But that looks pretty. I like it. Okay, now I'm creating a totally different look than I had. It's just so dark now on the side over here. All right, I did a better job on this one. I think this is very, very pretty. Definitely a keeper for the eye. Yep. All right, that's pretty. I like that. All right, so let's see what the last product is. Let me make sure this is closed. I don't want to be picking that up off my table. So the last product that I am getting in the box is an eyeshadow palette, and it's by Ace Beauté Grandiose Palette, and it's a very pretty packaging. And I'm gonna wipe my glitter off my hand. Very, very pretty packaging, and the actual palette is the same as the box. There is no mirror, it just comes with a little plastic. There is no mirror, and these are the shadow colors. Very, very pretty. It brings 8, so I'll tell you the names. This one's Jasmine, Clove, Myrtle, Cinnamon, Primrose, Poppy, Rose, and Patchouli. So let's go ahead and swatch some of them on my hand, because Clara doesn't know how to swatch on her arm. And some of them feel a little powdery, like this one here, the Clove. This one felt creamy. Let's see the cinnamon. The cinnamon also felt a little powdery, but it kind of like blended okay on my hand. Okay, so this is the first row. This is a jasmine, clove, myrtle, and cinnamon. So let's take those off. Let me dry my hand. And let's do the bottom one. Patchouli, Rose, which is very, very deep pink, bright pink. This one is beautiful, but it's also kind of like powdery, and it's a weird texture. Feels kind of buttery, but it kind of balls up on the pan when you swatch it. So these are the bottom ones. This is starting from the lighter one: Patchouli, Rose, Poppy, and Primrose. Primrose is the last, the gold one. So I don't know, until I try it on my eyes, I really won't know if I really like this or not, but the shades are beautiful. I really do like the shades. So this is it. I mean, I think it was an okay box. Let's look at the prices. So the Cover FX, I know those are $44. Goes all the Cover FX drops or glitter drops or whatever, $44. And from what I understand, the shade is Nova. If I may be wrong, but I believe that this is specially created for Boxycharm. So it's a new shade that they have. It says these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact, reflective finish that wows. The multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Now, I really think it looks pretty on the eyes over the eyeshadow, but I will not be using it on my face. Then the Ace Beauté is featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. Let me see if it says if they are cruelty-free. It does have the bunny on the back, so they are cruelty-free. Okay. Okay, and then the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxe Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. The Luxe 14 mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line, while the Luxe 121 Mini Taper lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxe 111 Mini Flat Angle Brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. And the Luxe 131 Mini Angle can add a pop of color to your brow bone, or precisely place color onto your crease. It would be so nice if I could see. Okay, so I didn't give you a price. Oh, I told you $44 for the drops, $24.99 for the palette, $21 for the brush set, the Jonta Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Sparkle up your glam with Jonta Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly. Not really. Leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. I really don't feel that it's lights. I mean, look. Even on the hand is better, I guess, but on my eyelid it really didn't. And maybe it's because there was glitter there and it was a little harder to apply. And as you can see, it's not super black. So I would say this is okay. But is it something that if I ran out, I would say, oh, I need to find it and replace it? Absolutely not. And I don't even know how much I would use it. I find the liquid liners are a lot easier to use. Now, I do use pencils when sometimes on my lower lash line. But anyway, it's $5 for the eye pencil. I would not pay more than that. Lashaholic Lashes, Insta Glam False Eyelashes. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic Lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And their price is $14.99. Those are nice. I mean, like I don't go out and buy lashes. But definitely they're nice. I think that they will probably look pretty natural on the eye and would just give you a fuller look to your eyelashes. But it's definitely something that I like as far as lashes. They don't look too over the top. So let me see. The version that I received is 3. The version box that I received is number 3. I know that some people receive tweezers instead of the lashes, and other people received, or maybe it was instead of the liner, I don't know. Some other people also received brush cleanser, spray bronze cleanser. So I'm okay with what I received. I think that I've had better boxes. I really don't care for this. I think the rest of the products were okay, so I'm not complaining. And Boxycharm is $21 a month, and it is a subscription that you can stop anytime you want. Now next month I'll be getting my Luxy box, which is supposed to be, that's a whole different thing. It's my $21 a month plus an extra $29 because you get like 11 products, full-size products instead of 5. And the last one that I had is August. I believe it was August. It was really nice, so it's definitely worth it. So that's what when the next one comes, that one is quarterly. So you get everything that you would normally get in your Boxycharm plus additional 6 products. So this is it, guys. This is my Boxycharm. I will try the eye palette and see how I like it on creating a look. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.